Olivia's first beach day. Longport, New Jersey. There's more. G-Pot. Daddy. Uncle Josh. There's Mommy. There's Hank and Pam's house. Right there, it's beautiful. Yeah, with the Swedish flag.
Oh, they have a Swedish flag?
Yeah. It's really pretty. Beautiful view.
Do you want me to get you?
No, it's fine. This is Aunt Pretty talking. Let's go back to Olivia though. So pretty.
We have a fan on her and all the sun protected stuff. We bought a
nervous mom over here.
A tent. A sun protected hat, sun protected outfit.
Alright, Mom's. Oh,
We got suntan lotion.
I just shook the camera because there's a fly on me.
You alright?
Yeah. Oh, so cute, her little ruffle butt. You'll see the suit a little later.
Ruffle butt swimsuit.
I'm probably zooming. Yeah, right? Where's the fade? Fade in, fade out.